Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on Zendesk. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in zendesk.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Zendesk website. Now click on the sign in button at the top right corner and click on sign in once again. And you will be asked to enter your email address and your password. Go ahead and type in the email address that you used while signing up for your account within the email address section, and then type in your account password underneath within the password box. You can then click on the sign in button and you will be logged in to your Zendesk account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, click on the forgot password button and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on Zendesk. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.